Welcome to the Fuentes family channel. My name is Lorie. In today's video, we are going to do something a little different and fun. We are going to ask a Filipinas from the province of Igaon, Bicol, Philippines, which country has the sexiest men? Hopefully, you guys will enjoy it. So yeah, enjoy the interviews. Ate, what is your name?
My name is Anna Rose.
Anna Rose. Nice to meet you, Ate Anna Rose. How old are you?
24.
You are 24. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
Single mom.
You're single mom.
Yes.
Wow. How old is your kid?
3.
3 years old. One kid, right?
Yes.
One. Oh,
Boy.
So, how long have you been single? Gano'ng katagal ka ng single?
5 months pa lang.
5 months.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, I see. So, Ate Anna Rose, here is the question. Which country has the sexiest men for you?
I think it's the Philippines because they are attractive for me.
Oh, they're attractive for you, Philippines. So when it comes to sexy, you mean the physical appearance,
Yes.
right? That they're very attractive for you. Okay. Well, thank you so much. Salamat. Okay, next we have, what is your name?
I'm Grace de la Vega po.
Grace. Nice to meet you, Grace. How old are you, Grace?
I'm 22 years old.
You're 22 years old. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
in a relationship.
Boyfriend or husband?
Husband.
Husband, I see. No kids, right? No kids. Okay. So here is the question. Which country has the sexiest men for you?
Korean.
Koreans. From Korea. Korea. So why Korea?
Because is...
Because
Kasi lahat po sila mga cute po sila na.
so Grace said because all of them are cute. Koreans are cute. Both of them guys are working here at, what is the name of your store, ate?
Jolly Birch po.
Jolly Birch. Okay, they're selling snacks, food. Snacks, they have like shawarma, nachos, fries, even fried chicken they have. And then they also sell tapsilog, silogs. We have here like tapsilog, fish fillet, tusilog, imbusilog. Oh, there's imbusilog, imbutido, and then chicken silog. This is my favorite, my husband's favorite, tapsilog. He really loves that. What is your name po?
Margie Berset.
Margie. Nice to meet you, Margie. How old are you?
27.
Wow, you're 27. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
In a relationship.
Oh, boyfriend?
Hapap.
Half?
Opo.
What do you mean? Half husband, half boyfriend?
Ano po, bali, bisexual po kasi
Oh,
ako. Kaya po, nasabi kong
Oh, so it's a girlfriend.
Yes po.
Yeah, okay. Well, that's fine. Love wins, right? Okay. Here's the question. Which country has the sexiest men for you?
I think sa Korea.
Korea. Why Korea? Why do you think Korea?
Mas kasi po yung mga sa Korea kasi po pag 'di ba po pag ang nila body nila is yung parang chubby po. Parang binubuli po sa nila sa bansa. Kaya po ang nila mini-maintain po nilang sexy.
Oh. So she said Korea because some Koreans are like chubby and then people there tend to bully them.
Yes.
So they were able to like maintain their body, like, right, to have a fit body. So for you, Korea is the sexiest what do you call this? Men. Ate, what is your name po?
Maricel Ramos.
Maricel. That's a very beautiful name.
Wow.
Maricel, like Maricel Soriano. Okay. Ate, how old are you, Ate Maricel?
I'm 38 years old.
Wow, you're 38. Do you have kids?
Yeah,
How many kids do you have, Ate?
one only.
One. Wow. Tipidon. Okay, just one? You don't want two? I want two?
God wills.
God wills. Okay. Ate, here is the question. Which country has the sexiest men for you?
I think America
America. Why
Yeah.
America?
because feeling Tagalog. Hindi sila mahilig sa rice. Mahilig sila sa bread. Kumbaga, nami-maintain nila ang diet.
Diet
Mm.
and that. Good good
Yeah.
what do you call body.
Body.
So Ate Maricel said America because they don't really like to eat rice. They tend to eat bread, more
Bread,
on
yeah.
bread. So
Not like Philippines, 3 times a day rice.
unlike Philippines,
Yeah.
Filipinos loves to eat rice
Rice.
3 times a day.
Yeah.
That is correct,
Yeah.
Ate. Even me. Actually, breakfast, lunch, in sometimes snacks also, right? We
Yeah.
also eat rice. Okay, guys. So here I have my younger sisters. Yes, guys, they are my sisters, and as what I mentioned earlier, this video is something different and fun. So I was like, okay, let me ask my sisters this time. Okay, so let's start with
Hana,
yes, her name is Hannah. Hannah, which country has the sexiest men for you?
Korean.
Korean. So Korean, that's people. So Korea, right? Korea is the country. Okay, so why Korea?
Korean because of K-pop.
Because of K-pop. A lot of us, even older people, they love K-pop. So no wonder she said Korean. Korea. Okay, well, thank you so much, Hannah. Okay, next we have Trixie. Trixie is very shy and very nervous. So, Trixie, which country has the sexiest men?
Philippines.
Philippines, of course. A lot of Filipino would say that Philippines. So why Philippines, Trix?
Philippines because all of my favorite actors are from the Philippines.
Yes. Okay, so who is your favorite actor? One of your favorite actor?
Daniel Padilla.
Daniel Padilla. A lot of Filipinos loves or adore Daniel Padilla. Okay, so thank you so much again. Yes, thank you guys.